Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Union Minister of State for Tourism Shripad Yesso Naik yesterday inaugurated the 11th edition of the International Tourism Mart ITM in Shillong. The three-day event is being held from November 21st to 23rd at the Lariti International Centre for Performing Arts and Culture. As many as 28 international delegations from 18 countries and 50 buyers from different parts of the country participated in the event. Here is a report.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Union Minister of State for Tourism Shripad Yesso Naik unveiled the Prasad Scheme Pilgrimage Rejuvenation and Spiritual Augmentation Drive in Meghalaya. Under the scheme, the Ministry of Tourism has sanctioned 29.32 crore rupees for the development of 4 key iconic religious tourism sites in Meghalaya under the Prasad Scheme. The Prasad Scheme is set to boost the efforts and contribute to the state's economy and vision.
We have been, as a state, we've been focusing on ensuring that there is a sense of sustainable tourism and, a concept of eco-tourism. And we are ensuring that from our side, policies are being created where the weight or the pressure or the footprints, as you call them, on certain locations. Like, for example, we have been discussing about our living root bridges. So, we have hundreds of people stepping on it every day. So therefore, we need to control that, and we are doing it now.
Addressing the event, Yesso Naik said that Meghalaya is a beautiful state with huge potential in adventure and ecotourism, and that the ITM plans to facilitate interaction between government agencies and stakeholders. Northeast region has emerged as a popular tourist destination for travelers seeking adventure, culture, nature, festivals and offbeat experiences, said Naik.
11th इंटरनेशनल टूरिज्म मार्ट यहाँ रखा है क्योंकि टूरिज्म के पर्यटन के वास्ते इन 8 स्टेटों का विकास ठीक तरह से हो और विकास होने के बाद ही पर्यटन को भी निश्चित तौर से बढ़ावा मिलेगा। पर्यटन अच्छी तरह चलेगा तो देश की जीडीपी, देश की आर्थिक व्यवस्था भी मजबूत होगी।
Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.